What's up everyone, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at 50 Resto's guide rod alignment kit for the 1981 to 1988 T-top Fox bodies. If you currently own or you have owned a T-top Fox Mustang, then you may be all too familiar with the plastic guide rod adjustment plates on the T-top glass. These plastic guide rod adjustment plates are just one of several failure-prone areas on T-top cars, and as real enthusiasts, we have a pretty sweet fix for this problem. 50 Resto's guide rod alignment kit is the premium solution for damaged or missing factory guide rod plates. Instead of reproducing these plates out of problematic plastic, we selected billet aluminum as the material of choice. Each of these aluminum plates is precision machined with factory tolerances which feature recessed slotted channels for extra adjustability when aligning the guide rods, as well as extra clearance for the head of the screw. In the bag will be 4 adjustment plates and 8 screws, which will service both the driver and passenger side T-top glass. Since the T-top cars were only built from 1981 to 1988, this kit will work with all T-top Fox Body Mustangs. Today we'll be working with our 86 T-top car, which is definitely a work in progress, so go easy on the old girl. This car is missing the plastic T-top latch cover as well as the plastic guide rod plates. To install these, you'll first want to remove either side of the T-top glass from the car. Lay the glass upside down on a workbench. Remove the latch cover if it's still there. Whenever the latch cover is removed, loosen and remove the guide rod plates if they're still in place. Install the aluminum guide rod plate with the raised portion facing the latch assembly. Thread 2 screws into place, center them within the recessed slot, and then tighten them down. Do the same for the other end of the T-top glass. Test for operation. Position the T-top glass back onto its respective side. If needed, remove the glass and make additional adjustments. Whenever you're happy with the alignment of the rod, reinstall the latch cover, reinstall the glass, and then do the same for the other side. After that, you're good to go. All right, if you own a T-top car, I would like for you to do yourself a favor. Go to the link in the video description, add this kit to your cart, and then complete the order. Trust me, you'll thank us on this one. But in all seriousness, guys, this kit definitely needs to be on your radar if you have a T-top Fox body. Of course, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, always reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 and present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.